Hi, this is Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today's class, I'm going to teach you guys some calculus, the topic of limit. So regularly, if you can just plug in the number the x is approaching to, you just go ahead to plug in. Then the result will be your limit. But for these four questions, let's look at number one. If you plug in 1, then you will make the denominator to be undefined, to be 0. So we need to actually do something. And then this one, we can simply just do a factoring on the first, the top portion, the numerator part. So x squared minus 1, we can factor that to x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1. And then the denominator is still x minus 1. Then now this one can be canceled out, x minus 1 and x minus 1. Then we only have a negative parentheses x plus 1 left over. Then now you can plug in this 1. And then plug in 1, then just 1 plus 1, 2. So negative 2 will be your limit for the first question. And then let's look at number 2. So first of all, we try to plug in 5 also. But after you plug in 5, we find out, oh, denominator is a 0 again. So we need to actually try to factor this also. Change that to the numerator part. You can take x out as a factor. So then we have x minus 5 on the top. And then the bottom one still x minus 5. And then this one will be canceled out also. Then we have negative x left over. And then now we can plug in 5 now. So it's negative 5. And then this will be your limit for number 2. Okay, let's see number 3. Are we able to do number 3? Well, number 3, again, if you plug in let's see, if you plug in 2, again, you make the denominator to be 0. Then we try to see if we can factor the top. So we have a negative here. So the top, we can change that to, x minus 2. And then multiply by x plus 1. And then the bottom one is still x minus 2. Then now we can cancel this out. And then we have negative parentheses x plus 1 left over. Then we can definitely plug in 2 here. So 2 plus 1, which is a 3. So it's negative 3, which is the limit. Let's look at the last one, number 4. If you plug in negative 5, again, make the denominator to be 0. So we try to see if we can factor the top. So yes, we do. We can factor that to be x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 5. And then the bottom part still x plus 5. Then we can actually cancel x plus 5. And then we have x minus 2. Leave it here. And then go ahead to plug in negative 5 as an x, then minus 2. Then you have negative 7. So this will be the limit. Well, these 4 questions are the ones we use, one of the methods, factoring, then simplify. Then plug in the number x is approaching 2. So if you need any more help on these kind of questions, then please leave some comments and question down below and let me know. So I will be teaching you guys more different kind of limit next time. So see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.